Welcome to my channel. Here you can start out and improve your skills in user experience design and product design. I'm constantly creating content to supercharge your design skills. There's always a new tool, trick or tactic here to pick up and add to your personal toolbox to make you a better designer. So subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Hi, I'm Rachel Page, and after graduating with a Bachelor of Engineering in Product Design, I went on to have a 20-plus year career in tech in England, Australia, and now remotely. I now work as a product designer and previously in UX, UI, and graphic design. I created hundreds of websites, apps, experiences, and digital products for an impressive list of clients, and I earn up to €650 a day. When you're starting a learning journey, one of the hardest things is that you're not aware of what you don't know. So you need a framework to provide context. That's why I've created the Design Principles course, which guides you through a curated learning journey of the fundamental principles. The course has practice exercises for each design principle. Do this course if you want to learn to be a designer as fast as possible and start creating work for your portfolio immediately. You can find the Design Principles course at artfully.com. There are also shorter courses on individual subjects so that you can commit gradually or just fill gaps in your knowledge. You can also learn for free by email by signing up at artfully.com. Every week I'll send you a design insight based on a fundamental design principle that you can learn in under 10 minutes, and it gives you a taster of my courses. I use the industry-leading software Figma, and I cover subjects from beginner to advanced, such as wireframing, clickable prototypes, graphic, visual and UI design covering typography, color, hierarchy, plus layout, readability, accessibility, responsive design, the creative brief, ensuring product success, and loads more. My courses and videos aren't just theory. I show you exactly the process and tools I use in practice every day as I work. Good design is self-evident. You don't need a fancy degree to be a good designer, but you do need to know the design principles and practice them by designing things yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.